Hi everybody, today I want to show you this T-fal pressure cooker. I'm going to make an unboxing and then I want to show you the good and bad things about it. It is very simple. It comes assembled, so you don't have to worry about anything other than just putting the pressure regulator. As soon as I remove the plastic, the first thing that I notice is that it smudges easily. I had a little bit of cream on my hands and you can see that my fingerprints are placed on the pressure cooker. So it already comes assembled. The only thing that you have to put on is the pressure regulator. And the nice thing is that it comes with these arrows that show you where exactly you have to lock it. Now, this is the second time that I use it, and as you can see, it looks a little bit dirty, but it's basically the stain from the water. So I noticed that as soon as you wash it, you have to dry it if you don't want to have this type of stains. To release the air, you can place a fork or a spoon if you're in a hurry, or simply let it cool down by itself. Now, this is the second time that I am using this pressure cooker. This time I cooked some chickpeas, and right away you can see that it created a dark spot inside of the pressure cooker. The first time that I cooked something, it was brown beans, and it created this dark circle as well. I didn't use any type of condiments. The only thing that I used was water and the beans, and that's it. I don't know why it ended up creating these dark spots. As you can see here, it created these cracks as well. It doesn't have any texture, but it just looks like that. After I wash it, this is how it looks. Remember that this is just the second time that I use it, and it is impossible for me to remove these dark circles. Other than this, the pressure cooker does the job. It took me just 20 minutes to fully soften the chickpeas. This is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!